I tried to hide it through the silence while I played along. I'm welling up behind my eyelids when I'm holding on to the rage so badly I hate it. And I wish that all of... No, that doesn't feel right. Maybe speed it up. Yeah. That's nice. I really hate the way you think that you can get away by blaming all your stupid problems on your mental state. I'm tired of burnt out lives. Ooh. You think you know me, but you hardly even know yourself. I bite my tongue and let you think I only wish you well. I don't, I know you know it. Ooh. And I'm tired of letting someone get the best of me, so go ahead and cry, cry. Go ahead and ruin someone else's life. Cry, cry. Go find somebody else so I can sleep at night. You're more narcissistic than anybody in Hollywood. You're not a misfit, don't keep saying you're misunderstood. I'm tired, oh I'm so tired. Ooh. And maybe you're the honest type, and it's been me the whole damn time. I should really try to calm my mind and see things from your side. Or maybe you can cry, cry. Go ahead and ruin someone else's life. Cry, cry. Go find somebody else so I can sleep at night. Go ahead and ruin someone else's life. And I'm tired of letting someone get the best of me, so go ahead and cry, cry. Go ahead and ruin someone else's.